Ever wondered how you can buy something online without sharing your actual debit card details? Or maybe you've been curious about a super secure way to manage your subscriptions and trials. What if I told you there's a simple, elegant solution nestled right within your Monzo app? Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of Monzo virtual cards. We'll explore what they are, how they work their magic, and why they've become an indispensable tool for savvy spenders and security-conscious online shoppers alike. Get ready to unlock a whole new level of control and peace of mind over your finances. For years, the traditional way of making online purchases involved directly inputting your physical debit or credit card number, expiration date, and CVV. While generally secure, this method always carries a slight underlying risk. What if the website you're buying from has a data breach? What if a rogue employee gets access to customer information? Or perhaps you're signing up for a free trial that requires card details, and you're worried about forgetting to cancel and being charged? These are valid concerns, and they're precisely the problems Monzo virtual cards were designed to solve. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is a Monzo virtual card? Simply put, it's a digital-only debit card that exists solely within your Monzo app. It's not a physical piece of plastic you can hold. Instead, it generates a unique 16-digit card number, an expiration date, and a CVV, just like a regular card, but these details are distinct from your physical Monzo debit card. Think of it as a clone of your main card, but with its own separate identity. The beauty of a virtual card lies in its ephemerality and its ability to be compartmentalized. Monzo allows you to create multiple virtual cards, each with its own specific purpose. This is where the power truly lies. Imagine having one virtual card dedicated solely to your online subscriptions, Netflix, Spotify, gym memberships. Another for your occasional online shopping sprees, perhaps on a specific e-commerce site. And maybe a third for those free trials you're always signing up for. This level of organization and control is simply not possible with a single physical card. So, how do these virtual cards actually work behind the scenes? When you create a Monzo virtual card, you link it to one of your existing Monzo pots. If you're not familiar with Monzo pots, they're essentially digital jars within your Monzo account where you can set aside money for specific goals. For example, you might have a rent pot, a holiday pot, or an emergency fund pot. The genius of virtual cards is that they draw funds directly from the pot they're linked to, rather than your main current account balance. This is a game changer for budgeting. Let's walk through a scenario. You want to subscribe to a new streaming service. You create a new virtual card in your Monzo app and link it to your entertainment pot, where you've allocated your monthly entertainment budget. When you sign up for the streaming service, you input the virtual card details. Now, every month, when the subscription charge comes through, it automatically pulls funds from your entertainment pot. If that pot runs out of money, the transaction will be declined, preventing you from overspending or dipping into funds you've earmarked for other purposes. This isn't just about security, it's about intelligent, automated budgeting. The security aspect of virtual cards is perhaps their most compelling feature. Because each virtual card has unique details, if any of those details are compromised in a data breach, your main debit card details remain safe and sound. You can simply delete the compromised virtual card and create a new one, without the hassle of canceling your physical card, waiting for a replacement, and updating all your recurring payments. This is a massive time saver and a significant reduction in stress should you ever fall victim to a data breach. Furthermore, Monzo virtual cards offer an enhanced layer of control for one-off purchases. Let's say you're buying something from a website you're not entirely familiar with, or perhaps it's a new vendor. Instead of exposing your primary card details, you can generate a new virtual card specifically for that transaction. Once the purchase is complete, you can immediately delete the virtual card. It's like having a disposable credit card for every transaction you're wary about. This virtually eliminates the risk of unauthorized future charges or fraudulent activity linked to that particular vendor. Another brilliant application of Monzo virtual cards is for managing free trials. We've all been there, signing up for a free trial, enjoying the service, and then completely forgetting to cancel before the trial period ends, resulting in an unexpected charge. With a Monzo virtual card, you can link it to a specific pot, perhaps a trial pot with a very small amount of money, or even an empty one. When you sign up for the trial, you use the virtual card details. If you forget to cancel, when the subscription attempts to charge you, it will try to pull from that pot. If the pot is empty or has insufficient funds, the transaction will be declined, effectively acting as an automatic cancellation reminder without incurring any unwanted charges. This is financial genius at its simplest and most effective. Monzo has also made the process of creating and managing virtual cards incredibly intuitive. Within the Monzo app, it's just a few taps to generate a new card. You can customize the name of each virtual card, making it easy to identify its purpose: Netflix card, online shopping card, trial card, etc. You can also easily see which pot each virtual card is linked to, view its transaction history, and freeze or delete it with a simple swipe. The user interface is designed to put you in complete control, giving you a clear overview of your virtual card ecosystem. Beyond security and budgeting, virtual cards also offer a layer of privacy. For example, if you're making a purchase for someone else or want to keep certain transactions separate from your main spending habits, a virtual card allows you to do so without creating a completely separate bank account. It's about segmenting your financial life in a way that suits your needs and preferences. Let's consider a scenario for an online creator or freelancer. Imagine you have various tools and software subscriptions that are business expenses. Instead of using your personal physical card, you can create a virtual card linked to a business expenses pot. This immediately separates your personal and business spending, making accounting and tax preparation significantly easier. When tax season rolls around, you can simply review the transactions on that specific virtual card and its linked pot, rather than sifting through all your personal transactions. The flexibility extends to different currencies as well. While your Monzo account is in your primary currency, e.g., GBP, virtual cards can be used for international online purchases. Monzo's standard competitive exchange rates apply, and the transaction will simply be debited from the linked pot in your local currency. This means you don't need to worry about holding multiple foreign currency accounts just to make secure online purchases abroad. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.